Last shot. Asombrado. It's no good. Primo by Padre. Padre, no good. Primo by. Ball stays with Hayay. 2 minutes and 12 seconds of the third quarter. Robinas. To Padre, short jumper. 2 points, Padre. Torres. Last 2 minutes. Ating sa inyo ng clip through. As we continue Torres. Challenge is always with us. 8 seconds to shoot. Password ulan. Taking 3. Nogi. Primo by. Neri. Neri pass to Torres. Taking 3. Torres. Wow! Wow, for jersey number 19, Torres. Torres, warning for Bradley. Torres, warning for Bradley. 30 fouls of Pulani moves. 1 minute and 27 seconds left of the fourth quarter. Robinas, pass to Segi. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Domenico. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. One shot Kings favor. Hayay lead. Pass to Neri. Neri pass to Torres. Shot jumper. Nogi Primo by. Neri to more. Yes, Neri change favor. 116 to 115. Pellico taking 3. 3. Pellico. Torres pass to Neri. Pass to Pasmayor. Taking 3. Nogi Primo by. Padre. 35 seconds left. Reserve timeout. Timeout left. Wala na po timeout. Wala din timeout. Wala pa po. Warning for penalty. Timeout. Wala din po. Power jersey number 0, Joseph Neri. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Wala din po. 118 to 116 in favor of Hayay. Hayay, may dalawang timeout pa po kayo. Hayay, may dalawang timeout pa po kayo. Bulati moves, wala na po kayong timeout. Back to the ball game. Atin sa inyo yan na Madra Clothing. The official jersey sauce. We should be your colors. We should want to policy. 118 to 116 in favor of Hayay. 10 seconds to shoot. Padre, Nogi Primo by. Torres. Torres. Pass to Adulan. 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 Oh, 118. 2 seconds. 29 seconds left. To number 33. To one. Number 33. 120 to 118. Pass to Pasmayor. It's still alive. Pellico. 2 balls. Pellico. To Pasmayor. Pass to Neri. Taking 3. 3. Yes, Neri. Penalty. Who's fouled? Power jersey number 7, Catalino. Vincent Catalino, second personal foul. Penalty. Shooting to Joshua Segi. The shot is good. Second shot, makukuha ni Joshua Segi. Sira the three by Joshua Segi. 11 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Corner Segi. Foul with jersey number 0, Jelson Neri. Second personal timeout.
Time out pag na-shoot yung dulo.
Mahit na po pwede. Foul na po mamaya. Cancel timeout. Cancel timeout. Cancel na po yung kalaban. Pwede. Wala na po yung timeout. Kulati moves. Dalawa na po. Sayang. First shot is so good. Second shot. Tapo po kaya. Joshua Segi. Ang mga natin. Ang mga natin dito sa Sijuni Powers. Ito mo babaw si. Segi ready. Pinatay. Pinatay. Pasayon. Pasayon. Alcao. Number 2. Hayay. Nabagat na laban. Time out. Salamat sa iyo, Marco Blesa. Nabagat na laban. Happy second na. Patigil niya na, switching yung ballers. Challenge is always with us. Bakit yun mo kayo? Kinakabahan po mga kaibigan. Mga kaibigan, kailangan natin na kumpa. Kailangan sumubo. Patigil niya na. Great shot.